everybody, I'm Sam Darty from Paid Memberships Pro. Today we're going to be discussing the Membership Manager role add-on, how you can use it, and how you can also edit the capabilities that the role is allowed to have. Role add-on creates a new role within WordPress that gives users permission to manage membership settings without needing complete administrator access. This is a great way to restrict your WordPress site that you may or may not want somebody adjusting if they are helping you out with your membership. To begin, I'm on my Coding with Sam demo site to show you how this add-on can work. It is a plus add-on, so you will need an active license key with Paid Memberships Pro, or you will need to get the add-on from GitHub. I have a license key, so I'm going to go to add-ons and I'm going to search Manager and install and activate the Membership Manager role add-on. Now that it's active, there's actually nothing I need to configure or manage to set up this add-on. It's done. It's a plug and play. So now that we have this, I can go to my members list and I can select who I would like to be the Membership Manager role, or I could also add a new user and give them access as a new user. Just for testing, I'm going to go with this first person here, Sam with Coding with Sam at nothing.com. I will edit the user, and under role, instead of subscriber, I'm going to assign Membership Manager. And I will save. And I'm going to use the user switching plugin to switch to this user to show you what the Membership Manager has access to out of the box with the base add-on. Right now, as an admin, I have access to everything in my WordPress site, from posts to the media, pages, everything for Paid Memberships Pro, different plugins, the appearance, users, all of that. So now when I switch to, it'll take me to the front end. The manager role does have the WordPress admin bar. I can go into the back end of the site, but I can only see memberships and users. Now, memberships, when you go into it, that is your Paid Memberships Pro dashboard. They do have access to all of the members, the orders, subscriptions, reports, settings. They do have quite a bit of control on the Paid Memberships Pro side. However, as you can see on the left side bar, there is no access to posts or pages, so they can't do any updating for you. So let me switch back to my admin account. And I want to show you how you can update and customize what this Membership Manager role can do for you. To do that, we're going to get another plugin. Add a plugin. This is in the WordPress repository. It's called Edit User Role. And we're going to be looking for the one with the two masks in the photo by Valdemir. We're going to install and activate this user role editor. And then because we installed that, we're able to go to users, user role editor. And here we can select the role and change its capabilities. And that's for any role that you have configured in your WordPress site. The default roles are going to be editor, author, contributor, and subscriber. For the most part, your members should be subscribers. However, maybe you have a member who wants to take on this Membership Manager role. Click that, and this allows you to see what this role has the capabilities to do. And you can select the items. Now, if you want to update what the Membership Manager role can do, you want to duplicate this role and not change the role that we provide you with the add-on. This is because if we were to update the capabilities of the Membership Manager from, maybe we're adding new settings to Paid Memberships Pro and we're changing the capabilities there of increasing or decreasing what the Membership Manager can do, An update to the add-on will override what you have selected here, or it could. To prevent breakage, you want to add a role, name this we can name it anything you want. I'm going to name it my manager. I'm going to put the display name as membership manager 2. So I know this is the duplicated one, and I'm going to make a copy of membership manager. Add role. Now I can edit this membership manager 2 role, and this will, because I copied it, it already has everything that Paid Memberships Pro says a membership manager should be allowed to do. But now I can go ahead and add additional items. For example, I want my membership manager to be able to edit pages and posts. I want to take away their capabilities of getting to the PM Pro advanced settings. I want them to not have access to payment settings. I don't want them accidentally changing my payment gateway. Let's see what else we can give them. I'll let them update plugins. That's up to you. Again, you can give your manager as many or as less capabilities as you would like. This is all very customizable, but make sure when you're customizing your manager role, you have that duplicated one. So we'll update this role. We will confirm to update it. And then we're going to go back to that same user, and I'm going to update their membership manager 2 to show you how it has changed since I updated the capabilities. I'll go back to edit user, and I'm going to change their role to membership manager 2, my duplicate, and I will save, and then I will switch to again, and I'll go to the back end of the site, and now they have access to posts, pages, comments, memberships, and users. And they do have access to the updates tab, so if there were plugins that needed to be updated, they would be able to do that. In the membership side of things, for the settings, I did remove some settings. So they no longer have the ability to change my advanced settings, and they no longer have the ability to go in my payment gateway settings, but they can still adjust email settings, email templates, my user fields, discount codes, all of that. That is the Paid Memberships Pro Manager add-on and how you can also edit the capabilities that the role holds. Please subscribe to our channel, and we will see you next time.